Fault, I didn't record any of that.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
I'm about to play Smash. Trying to get some cash. I'm gonna get a rash. Hey, it's RashBalash.
What's up, everyone? It's your boy RashBalash back at it again, and yes, it's the new Food Smash series. We're back at it again. You know, we've followed up that great baklava video with something new, something I'm kind of weary on because I know that I'm about to go through some trials and tribulations that the most annoying person on Earth probably is about to put me through. Hey, bro! You ready? Yeah. I heard there's chocolate though, so I'm really excited.
You're right.
Yes.
Right here, I'm in the Bucket Brigade, and I brought you two presents today. One is a Bucket Brigade cat. So get in the Bucket Brigade right now.
Okay.
You too can be a Bucket Brigade member.
This
And
will cover up my beautiful hair.
we brought some delicious Coco Nibs. These have been sitting kind of on the shelf for the last few days. He's been going crazy about them because he can kind of smell the smell. And yeah, we're gonna try some out today. This is his first time having Coco Nibs, and I've been having them. I'm in love with them. You ready?
Yeah. It says it has antioxidants.
It has antioxidants. That's right, antioxidants.
Flavanols.
Yes,
Alright.
and they're delicious.
So you said there were going to be tests. What are we doing?
So you're gonna try it out. We're gonna try it out raw, and then I got a few dishes for us to try it out. They're all breakfast food. Actually, I should say couple, not few.
Couple.
Yeah. So I'm gonna bring those by. Do you want to take a? We can take a shot of them, show what they look like, and then you can try it out.
Okay.
We'll sprinkle it on top.
Okay.
Well, unless you want to open it right now and try it out.
I kind of do.
Okay.
I kind of want to eat some. It looks so good.
So while he's opening up, let me tell you, these I discovered these like a year or so ago. I love snacking on them at work, just like a little bit as I go. Haven't had them in for a while though, since we've been working from home. Yeah.
Maybe we should eat them all together.
Oh, dude, I wouldn't recommend that.
Why?
I like just having them bit by bit. But if you want to, you know what? You do you. You do you. You do you.
I like chocolate.
Delicious, right? Oh god. Wait, are you for real?
Oh,
Wait, are you actually for real?
this is disgusting.
Oh. I haven't had this for.
Oh my gosh.
Well, it tastes like Coco Nibs. They're really addicting.
That's so gross.
I don't know what to say.
It's the most bitter crap I've ever tasted. The thing is, it doesn't taste like anything until you bite into it, and you just get the wave of the most bitterish, disgusting food I've ever eaten.
It's like dark chocolate. Come on.
I don't want it anymore.
You did say.
I got like my hand reached for it because it looks like chocolate, and I wanted to eat it, but it's so disgusting.
Well, focus right now. So this is what it looks like, and for reference, these are like cocoa seeds that have just been crushed up after being dried. There's no sugar. You can get sweetened ones. Maybe he'll like the sweetened ones better.
Probably.
I love the taste of these, man. He's weird. Do you still want to try it with the other dishes?
No.
Are you going to?
Yeah.
So, what we got over here are our Coco Nibs. Then we got our blueberry, sunflower seeds, yogurt with a little bit of honey drizzled on top. And over here we have bananas, peanut butter over oatmeal with craisins inside. Family secret, we make our oatmeal with craisins and some cinnamon dashed on top. I wouldn't recommend having more than the recommended daily serving, which is 3 tablespoons. This is what it looks like, by the way, with the Coco Nibs on top. Just delicious, you know?
I actually want to throw up.
Delicious. That's because this stuff has a lot of fat in it, you know? You can be a thick boy. But normally I just snack on these. I don't shot them like my brother.
I don't want to eat this. Should I mix it?
Dude, you do you, but I would mix it.
Okay. First bite.
What do you think?
That's not bad.
Really?
The bitterness of the yogurt kind of is more delicious than the bitterness of the cocoa.
Does the cocoa add anything?
It adds texture. That's the only thing.
I will say this one's a little bit more bitter than the one I had before.
I like almost get that taste of chocolate, and then it disappears into bitterness. Well, I'm still eating it, so it's not bad.
You don't have to finish that, man. You can try the other one.
So this is oatmeal, peanut butter, bananas, and cocoa nibs.
Yeah, man. You want to give the camera another look?
Okay.
I'm really proud with how I organized. Or
Yeah.
set up.
I've worked very hard on this.
So I would recommend mixing this too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah! That's pretty good.
Yeah, yeah.
I like it. It makes me want to go back to sleep though. I don't know why.
It's the lack of sugar.
I don't taste the cocoa nibs too much here either.
Really? We can
I
pour
taste-
more in.
The texture is there though.
I don't think they have that strong of a flavor.
They don't until you bite them.
Mm.
Then it's just terrible.
I don't think you're good at chewing.
I'm biting them. That means I'm good.
I just want some ASMR of him chewing right now. You want to go up
No
to
one wants that. But I'll give it.
Also, wait. Give it a rating on its own, in the yogurt and blueberries, and in here.
On its own, a literal 1 out of 10. If I was on an island starving and literally had nothing else, I still wouldn't eat it.
Alright, do you want to know my rating?
7 out of 10.
Yeah, pretty much.
You knew it.
Alright, how about the other two ways?
Okay. This way, I give it. I have to try it again. I like it here because instead of getting a bitter taste, which is washed out by the yogurt, I get sort of a neat woody taste, like a kind of like biting kale,
Mm-hmm.
and I like kale for some
loves
reason.
his kale.
So I give this a 8 out of 10.
Okay. Wow.
Alright, this one. I'd give this probably a 7.5.
Okay. Not
Actually,
as good
no,
as the...
this one's better.
That one's better.
This one's 8.5 because I like the bananas and peanut butter.
Do the cocoa nibs add to this? Do the cocoa nibs add to that?
The cocoa nibs definitely add to the yogurt. A little less to this though. I wonder if that's why the score is higher.
The peanut, you could have just crunchy peanut butter, I think, and it would give you the same sensation.
Yeah.
The peanut butter is such a strong flavor, as is the banana.
Yeah.
Did you describe what the flavor of that's like?
I don't know.
I think you just said disgusting.
It is disgusting. I put it in the mouth. There's nothing. I bite it. It's cool and refreshing for a second. Oh. And then, a couple seconds later, the bitterness literally hits you. And it destroys every molecule in my mouth.
Is there a cocoa flavor or wood flavor?
There's a wood flavor, all the way at the end. The cocoa flavor is there.
Can I come back?
Not after this.
Oh. Okay.
You're already the most annoying person, and now you do this to me. I feel even more betrayed than usual. But yeah, that's everything for Food Smash with RashBalash, and this time his annoying trash brother. You already know what it is. Bucket Brigade, Bucket Brigade, here with organic cacao nibs from the Vita's Organics. They're really bitter. If you like bitter stuff that almost has that sensation of chocolate but then completely loses it and just makes a wasteland in your mouth, then this is the snack that you want. After all, he likes it, so it all makes sense. Do I recommend this in breakfast foods? Hell yeah, if you want that extra crunch with a little woody flavor at the end. Kind of like kale, but not really like kale because it's not as leafy as kale, but it's more woody. Yeah, that should make sense. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to check out my other videos. You know, my last food smash where we made some hot ass amazing baklava.
The behind the scenes footage.
Oh yeah, we got that coming soon. Or probably, maybe it's already out. I don't know.
Who knows how time works?
Exactly. Who knows when I'll get my hard drive with all that footage on. I don't know. Maybe this video will come out first. Maybe you should look out for that video, you know? It's all, time. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
This is the best day of my life. I met RashBalash!